Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the fourth chapter from the first flight from the diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank. Children, in this video we are going to learn about the authoress, a small introduction of this chapter, and the summary of this chapter. Children, let's see about the authoress. Anne Frank was a German Jew. The 12-year-old Jewish girl wrote the Diary of Anne Frank while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the Nazis' occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp in Bergen, where Anne and her elder sister Margaret died of typhus in 1945. Her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, found her diary and got it published in English under the name The Diary of Young Girl. So, children, now let's see the introduction of this lesson from the Diary of Anne Frank. Introduction. Anne Frank was a young Jewish girl. She lived with her parents in Germany, but Hitler's Nazi party was against the Jews. The Nazis were killing the Jews or forcing them to work in the concentration camps. The Frank family fled from Germany in 1933 and took shelters in Netherlands. But in 1940, Germany attacked the Netherlands and captured it. Now, the Nazis started arresting the Jews and sending them to the concentration camps. The Frank family went into hiding. They lived secretly in the upper floors of their business premises. They hid there for 25 months. Their non-Jewish friends gave them food. Anne started writing her diary before going into hiding. In August 1944, the Germans came to know of their hiding. They were arrested and sent to Germany. Anne, her sister Margaret, and her mother soon died in a concentration camp. Her father survived and published parts of Anne's diary. In this diary, Anne gives a moving and a tragic account of the difficulties faced by her family and other Jews. The part of the diary reproduced in this chapter is about the days when Anne was a schoolgirl and she and her family had not yet moved to the secret quarters. Children, now let's see the summary of the chapter. This chapter is a part of Anne Frank's diary. Here, she tells us about the early days of her life. She says that she decided to start writing a diary because she did not have a friend. Anne was born on 12th June 1929. She had a sister 3 years older to her. She lived in Frankfurt until she was 4. Her father immigrated to Holland in 1933. Anne Frank was sent to Montessori school and stayed there until she was 6. She started in first form. When Anne was in 6th form, her teacher was Mrs. Kupris, the headmistress. Both had a great love for each other. Anne had one in whom she could confide the feelings of her heart. So, she decided to make her diary to her friend. She called it Kitty. On Saturday, 28 June 1942, Anne Frank made her first entry in her diary. It was in the form of a letter and was addressed to her diary Kitty. Anne describes her experience with her mathematics teacher, Mr. Keesing. Anne writes that one day Mr. Keesing published her for talking in the class. Punished her for talking in the class. He gave her extra homework. He asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox and wrote it, but she again talked in the class. Now, Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Mr. Keesing liked the essay written by Anne Frank, but Anne could not give up the habit of talking in the class. So, as a punishment, Mr. Keesing asked her to write an essay on an unusual title. Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. Anne wrote this essay in the form of a poem. It was about a mother duck and the father swan. The father bit the 3 ducklings to death because they quacked too much. It was a satire on Mr. Keesing, but he took the joke in a right way. He read the poem to Anne's class and other classes also. He allowed Anne to talk in the class and never again gave her extra homework. Children, this is the summary. Now, in this video, you are going to see the main points of the story. You can pause the video and read and understand the main points of the story. Now, we have the theme of the story. Just pause the video and read the theme of the story and understand. I hope you would have understood the chapter. So, children, be safe, be at home. Thank you for watching the video.